very moment, right here and now, begins the journey of my dreams. On to forever, hand in hand with the one who matters most to me. I have tomorrow to look forward to, for God has given me you to have and to hold, to cherish and honor, to love and call my very own, to share all I am